Well, he's pulled it off, so he did make a good contact on the first red.
Oh, what a shot.
Well, what an attacking shot that was from Ding. He couldn't see that much else.
Taking a tough pot on here. Oh, how good is that? Look at the spin he got on that as well. He didn't have the angle to get back up to the colours, but he stayed in.
Oh, outrageous. What a pot that is. And what a moment to produce it.
Ну, какой план. Так, ну и с этой позиции коричневой можно играть.